Hi everyone. In this chart, automatically you will receive calls like signal in this chart. Today, Tuesday market, April 18. After 125, we have received a sell call. So, red color candle open. Like this every day, this chart will analyze market movement and give calls automatically. Today, sell call generated at sell at 42,459. Like that the call generated, and a 100 point first target, 200 point second target. Like that the call has been generated. It's an automatic process. It will automatically analyze the market movement and generate the calls. First 6 minutes, market traded in a very flat momentum. Market traded near to the entry point range only. But after 6 minutes, 7th candle started to break out the market. 42,400 breakout and a 100 point movement in the downside market. Like this, today sell call generated and break out the target range. And continuous bearish momentum, first target breakout, then in 12 minutes of trading, second target also breakout. Like this, today call generated and break out all the targets. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart means just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide you the subscription plan detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.